This is the simplest bear it. It's soft, comfortable, and warm. This one, it's suitable for babies with head circumference of about 45 centimeters. You can also adjust it. Adjust it to the right head circumference. Let's crochet together with the tutorial. Use Shackenmere Magic Ball for yarn. If you like dark colors, take the thread from inside. If you like light colors, take the thread from outside. Use a 4.0 crochet hook. Start. In the first round, we crocheted 6 short stitches. Let's start with the little tuft. After hooking, remove the loop. Tighten the thread end. Find the position of the first short stitch. Pull the thread through. This is the first round. According to this pattern, we need to crochet for rounds, with 6 short stitches in each round. Okay, everyone finish it. Next, we'll crochet the 5th round. First, lock 1 stitch. In the first stitch, crochet a short stitch. In the second stitch, we crochet an increase, which means we crochet 2 short stitches. This is a set of short stitch increases. We crochet 3 groups. In the 6th round, lock 1 stitch. We'll crochet 2 short stitches first. One short stitch increased. This is a set of 2 short stitches and 1 increase. We do the same for 3 groups. After this round, the little tuft is completed. Next, we start to crochet the main body. Change to long stitches to crochet. So our starting stitches is to make 2 slip stitches. Let's start from the first round. First, we crochet 2 long stitches. Then hook a long stitch increase, which means in the same stitch, 2 long stitches. We follow 1 or 2 long stitches. 1 long stitch and 1 long stitch increase. Start the second round. We need to add an outer long stitch. Let me demonstrate it for you. Second round, we started with 2 chain stitches. Refer to the diagram. We need to crochet 2 long stitches and 1 long stitch. First, we hook the first group. This is whereupon in the first stitch. Okay, then the second group. For the second group, we hooked the first stitch. We crochet a long stitch in this stitch. The second stitch, we crochet an outer long stitch. Hook the needle and wind the thread. Pick up the pillars of the long stitches to crochet. This setting is completed. Let's demonstrate another set. First, we hook the first group of long stitches. Are all crocheted in the normal stitches. The second long stitch, we hooked 1 stitch in the stitch. 1 stitch on the pillars of the long stitches. Pick up and bring the thread to hook a long stitch. Okay, according to this pattern, we need to crochet 8 groups in total. After the second round, you can see obvious bulges. There are 8 bumps in total, which is correct. Next, we'll crochet the third round. Since it's a long stitch, we need to crochet to slip stitches as a standing stitch. The pattern of the third round, it's 3 long stitches in a group. Long stitches increase. We'll crochet 3 long stitches first. This increase is, we hooked 1 in the stitches. Then on this pillar, and then hook an outer long stitch. This is a set of patterns. Repeat 8 groups. Let me demonstrate another set. 3 long stitches. Long needles plus stitches. To crochet a long stitch in the stitch. Then pick up the pillar body. And then hook an outer hook long stitch. Okay, finish the remaining 6 groups. Next, we'll crochet the 4th round. We'll crochet 4 long stitches in a group, so we'll start with 4 long stitches. This is a group in the same way. We in this stitch normally crochet 1. Then pick the outer half needle. And then hook an outer hook long stitch. This is a set. Everyone finishes the remaining stitches. Next, we crochet the 5th round. In the same way, we first crochet the diagram in the parentheses. 2 long stitches. This long stitch increase is crocheted normally. Then 2 long stitches. And finally, a set of long stitches. First, we hook a long stitch in the stitch. Then hook the outer long stitch. And hook an outer long stitch. When we get here, you've already found this pattern. In the brackets, the place where we crochet the outer long stitches is in the last stitch where we added stitches. I've taught you. The knitting method has been taught to you. You can crochet by yourself when I've finished the 7th round. If you want to make it bigger, following the pattern of adding stitches, you can just keep crocheting down. Next, we start to crochet long stitches without increasing or decreasing. When we reach this kind of, when we crochet the outer long stitches, we also need to crochet 1 outer long stitches. Just crochet the long stitches normally at the place of the outer long stitches. We also crochet an outer long stitch. That's enough. My decrease starts from here. Start with 4 long stitches. First, lock 2 stitches and crochet 4 long stitches. Okay, then it's the decrease. Hook needles, yarn over and pick the outer half of 2 stitches. thread through like this and back off the needle. This is the way to decrease stitches. Next, we'll crochet for long stitches. 3 long stitches. We'll crochet another set of decreased stitches. Okay, for the last long stitches, we'll crochet on this bump. Next is to repeat the pattern of this row. First lock 2 stitches in the 13th round. We'll crochet 3 long stitches first. Then a decrease. Then 2 long stitches. After 2 long stitches, we do a decrease. Okay, we go back to this place. Insert the hook into the long stitch outside and hook a long stitch. This is the pattern for this round. Everyone can follow the diagram to complete. The next few rounds are relatively simple. We need to crochet 2 rounds of medium-long stitches, then 3 rounds of short stitches. You can adjust this as you like. Just crochet it yourself. That's it. We crochet to the outer long stitches here. We don't need to crochet the outer long stitches. We just directly. We can crochet a medium long stitch. That's it. After we finished crocheting the short stitches, this barrette, we have completed it.